jumping around, sure we are. Well, we're going to be sitting back here. T-Bone, don't get you again in a little while. Have a great weekend, and I'll spoke at you later. One-eyed mule sitting back.
We damn sure will. We damn sure will. That one-eyed mule. We always have a good weekend, my friend. You know how we do. A one-eyed mule. A one-eyed mule. You already know old T-Bone be having some duck luck and fun. A one-eyed mule. I'm gone.
I got a funny feeling, you know, one-eyed mule does too. I got a funny feeling, you know, one-eyed mule does too. One-eyed mule gone. Oh, big up, big up.
Damn it, one-eyed mule. You made me tap my radio again.
Don't stick that cottonmouth again, that T-Bone. I see it.
Go on back there, Needle. Oh, all right. I got it unstuck.
Man, I'll be listening there, T-Bone. I'll listen in. Send back.
10-4, that one-eyed mule. Old T-Bone. I'm leaning back.
I should take all the advantage I can while I can. So I know there's a couple up here around North Carolina just tear my bookie up. There's a couple of them down here tear me up. So we ought to take advantage of it while we can, but we ain't. Oh, one-eye setback.
Well, they ain't tearing you up in this duck looking radio. That's one thing I can tell you right here, right about now. Ain't one-eyed mule. They ain't tearing you up in this duck plugging radio, one-eyed mule. You hosting a show that break.
But don't say it too much, man. Hey, don't say it too much, because I'm telling you, they'll sure put it on me. There's a few of them can put it on me, all right?
Well, they ain't gonna put it on you as long as you stretching my needle like you are right there. God dog it. Yeah, they ain't gonna put it on you right here, right about now.
Hey, Lordy, man, you just made my day, T-Bone sure did. You made my day. I'll be back in a short time over when I send back.
Yeah, well, wait on your return there, one-eyed mule. I guess I'll sit back here and listen to static. I'll sit back here and listen to static until you get back. Your T-Bone gone. Yeah, I hear you. I think you said 903 in Virginia. I don't have a real strong copy on it, but I heard your radio. I did. I think you said 903 in Virginia, that break.
You know that? Yeah, it'd be the 903 in Virginia. Come on.
Yeah, right back there, brother. Welcome to the weekend, man. Hope you enjoy. Have a good one on that end. I didn't even know I was broadcasting up there in Duck Plug in Virginia there at 903. Thank you for letting your T-Bone know, my friend. Welcome to the weekend.
517 Cali. There's your T-Bone. Yeah, you're sounding good back up here in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. These are 903. I'm gone.
10-4, and I'm sounding good up there in Virginia, my friend. I didn't know I was hosting a show over there, my friend. No doubt. You sounding good yourself, man. Sounding good yourself. I don't have a real strong signal on you, but you got a good modulation station, my friend. 903 T-Bone told you.
You on that? Yeah, be an old Cobra 2000 there. Come on.
Oh, yeah, that's some good talking radios right there, man. Them good old Cobra 2000s, that's some good talking radios, my friend. And they got some good modulation to them duck pluggers. Hey, 903, you got yourself a good radio. Even my dog want to say hello. 903, T-Bone, back out.
Hello, T-Bone. Save some of them flares for yourself. You're sounding good up here. Have a good one. I'll contact you much.
Hey, 903, take them easy, take them slow, my friend. Enjoy the weekend that duck plugging way. Your T-Bone said it. Watch me go. I'll see you. Bye.
08250 Montreal, Canada. Come on, DX. Slim Pickens. The 903 in Virginia's got a copy on you.
450 Chicago, 951 Southern Cal. With a wave, good morning.
Here you in there, Chicago. It's rough, it's tough. There's a bunch of them in there. 0283, Brass Monkey waving.
10-4 Slim Pickens. Appreciate you coming back there. Let me know my radio is working. Have a good one. We'll spoke at you later. Be the 903. I'm gone.
Body T-Bone. Body T-Bone. You got a sloppy copy on Prowler. 260.
10-4. Appreciate it.
Well, we can't all stand by at one duck luck in time. T-Bone said we can't all stand by at one duck luck in time, that break.
We can. Do you really want it? Hello, T-Bone, Dirty Mobile. Hello, T-Bone, Dirty Water Mobile. Get down.
Yeah, good morning there, Dirty Water Mobile. Dirty Water Mobile, I heard you, I did, my friend. Top of the weekend. I heard that Mobile down in the swamps of South Louisiana waving that weekend hand.
I'll wave my hand right on back there. Ain't no doubt about it. Mr. T-Bone, let me do it while I can. Oh, dirty and more dirty waters at 10 or 12 through the bean town.
Right back there, brother. Dirty water. Dirty water. Doing your duck-legging thing. Doing your natural McNasty over that Mobile. You in that dirty water. T-Bone. I told you.
Alright, T-Bone, I gotta run into the supermarket over here, man. Get some groceries on. I'll get back at you another day. Ain't no doubt. Mr. T-Bone, dirty and more dirty on a Mobile 1012 and perfect on it.
Right back. Dirty and more dirty in the Mobile. We'll catch you later there, brother. Go do what you gotta do. Enjoy, my friend. I'm sure we'll do it again somewhere else along the day. Have a good one. T-Bone, Bega.
Good morning, T-Bone. Good morning, Dirty. Thank you for receiving that conversation. Dirty Mobile, T-Bone, 222.
Yeah, good morning there, 222. My brother from another mother, good morning, my friend. I'm waving that hand right to your Mobile. You know who, down around Lafayette, Louisiana, and waving that 4-1 weekend hand.
You go down there, you got that T-Bone sounding down the band as you always do. Big old Friday wave. T-Bone, I'm with it.
Right back there, brother. Look like them conditions are favoring Mobiles here at the moment. Look like conditions is favoring them duck plucking Mobiles at the duck plucking moment. That's just the way it be sometimes. Yo, T-Bone, bag out.
222 with the little mother nature like in this big old golf plane on the base station. T-Bone coming at you with the striker 497. Book it.
10-4 on the striker 497, man. I'm running my 88 built out of Maryland, my 88 built Cobra 29 up on this duck plugging in that break.
88 built 29 7 grand on the trail. I love it. Sounding good. Real nice out here.
260, we're looking breaker.
Woo-wee. Well, the bitch just dropped a second hot potato, T-Bone.
That's what we do, man. Hey, Red Dog, I'll put it on you. Number 8, downtown Chicago, checkpoint on the west side. Can I get it? About a T-bone, about a T-bone. Your radio off.
Boy, I barely heard you there, 260. You way down in my radio there, my friend. But I heard you idea, a 260 old prowler. I heard your radio idea, but you way down there, my friend. Top of the morning up there in Canada. A 260 old prowler in that Mobile. Old T-Bone says, I heard your radio, my friend. I'm waving that weekend wave.
Other than that, conditions are not really great on our end in the northeast corner. Prowler 260 said last from that point.
You rose up in my radio a little bit right there. There 260, man. But I don't think we have the greatest conditions there, brother. 260, if you got a grip, my friend, you enjoy on that end. Maybe Mother Nature will let you slide through the BYU at some point today. A 260 T-Bone, big guy.
T-Bone, you may think you don't have conditions, but you do have conditions down there. New York, AAA, Charlie Tango.
Yeah, 10-4 there, 888. Yeah, I heard my buddy 260 Prowler in Canada. He could hear me. I heard him holler for me, man, but he way down there on my radio there, 888 there, no doubt there, brother. But you rolled through in fine style, 888 T-Bone, big guy.
Yep, they're getting nice clear skies in Canada. Number eight.
Well, it's nice and pretty weather over here, man. Kind of cooler in the mornings, and it's actually some enjoyable weather on this duck looking in, so I can't complain about that. It ought to be a beautiful weekend down here in the BYU to break.
Man, number 8, yeah, I got a real good copy of it.
Well, T-Bone, when I woke up this morning, it was 36 degrees, and that was around 6:37 o'clock. Now it's about 42 degrees outside.
Oh, 36 degrees, that's a little too chilly for these bones, man. We've been in like the 60s in the morning time over here, and we warm up into the 70s and 80s on this duck plugging in, but 36, that's a little too chilly for these duck plugging bones. I got too much metal in my duck plugging body for that cold weather breaker.
Oh yeah, it's getting a little on the cool side. No white stuff, but it's getting cold.
Yeah, it's enjoyable over here, but it's probably a little cold over there. Y'all probably gonna have snow on the ground before long when that duck plugging in with that kind of weather to break.
Maybe by the end of the month.
10-4, maybe by the end of the month, man. Shoot, by the end of the month over here, man, we probably still gonna be camping on this duck plug, and then that's the kind of weather we like right here, man. Shoot, be in the 40s at night, warm up to the 70s during the day. Oh yeah, man, we probably still be camping on this duck plug, and then while it's snowing over there, break.
Yeah, this summer we had about 50-degree weather at night. During the day, anywhere from 80 to 90-degree weather.
Yeah, we hadn't seen the 90s over here in a minute, man. Ain't seen the 90s over here in a minute, man. We've been in the 70s and 80s up on this duck plugging in. It's been such pretty weather over here, man. I don't even have to run the air conditioning in the duck plugging house or the heater there, break.
I ran the air conditioner a little bit there, then took it out of the window because it dropped below 50.
0283, Brad.
Yeah, I don't even take my ACs out of the window. They stay in that duck plug a year round up on this duck plugging in.
Got to pull it out because of the white stuff.
30.
Oh, probably because of the snow. That's why y'all got to take it out of break.
Yep. When that you get that air conditioner cold, it makes a bedroom cold during the winter, even though it's not on.
10-4 there, 888. Well, you falling out of my radio there, my friend. If I can get it back, I'm gonna say top of the weekend, man, and enjoy that, my brother. But your signal steady dropping down in my radio. You all but gone. 888. Have a good day. T-Bone, bagger.
Roger on that there, T-Bone. 4 or 5 pounds. Catch you later.
Wish you a super fine day. Long time no hear you. Glad to hear you in there, my friend. 0283. Brass Monkey waving a hand. Wishing you a super fine day today, tomorrow, and every day. Hope it all goes your way. We're back quiet. One, two, one. Hey, 121, are you hollering at me? 0283, Brass Monkey trying to pay attention. All right, 121, 121. I don't have enough coffee in me yet, man. I can't keep up. 121, sounding good out here in the high desert, Southern Cal, 0283, waving. Good morning, Johnny Walker. Good morning, 0283, Brass Monkey trying to get in there and wave a hand this morning. Hello, radio.
Well, I can tell you where you're making it to there, Brass Monkey. Old T-Bone down in the BYU says, I got a whole room full of you there, Brass Monkey. T-Bone with that weekend wave.
Morning, T-Bone, waving right back. Hey, T-Bone, if you got a sloppy copy on this little mud duck radio, we're trying to wave a hand.
Sorry, you have to on this channel.
I got more than a sloppy copy on that little radio, my friend. I got more than a sloppy copy there, brother. You sounding good. You sounding good. Your friend on this end with the little itty bitty watch, T-Bone. Me and my junkyard station trying to let you know.
T-Bone, old timer right around. that Johnny Walker? How about it, Johnny Walker? 455. How about that Johnny Walker? 455. In the pickup truck. We're waving. Hey, Johnny Walker, sounding good down here in Bakersfield, California. 455 Bakersfield, pickup truck.
Let me see if I can jump in that pickup truck one time and wave that hand there. 455. Old T-Bone trying to jump on the passenger side. Give you a high five. Say top of the weekend, my friend, and I'm jumping out again.
665, 665, Oak Road, 369, everything state, waving a hand.
Hey, number eight, I appreciate that. You sounding good down there in Bakersfield, Give me some gas with this truck and gas with this truck.
Roger that. Well, you're sounding really good up here. I was sitting here on my couch and I had to come over here and go, man, you're ripping up my radio.
Hey, 309, old timer with the 5-watt radio on the west side.
Welcome to the weekend, Mr. Ghost Rider 665.